Chapter 11 Networking Concepts. You will learn about computer network and its use, components of computer network, types of computer network, network topologies, transmission media. Computer network. A computer network is a group of computer systems and other computing hardware devices that are linked together through communication channels to facilitate communication and resource sharing among a wide range of users. One of the earliest examples of a computer network is ARPANET. It is this network that evolved to become what we now call the Internet. A computer network can be categorized on the basis of their size. Why networking is required? Networks are used to 1. Providing ease of communication through email, video conferencing, instant messaging, etc. 2. It also allows multiple users to share a single hardware device such as a printer or scanner. 3. Allows file sharing across the network. 4. It enables the sharing of software or operating programs on remote systems. 5. Makes information easier to access and maintain among the users of the network. 6. It also enables the sharing of internet connection over the network. Computer network components. The major parts which are needed in installing the software are the computer network components. Following are the important components required to install a computer network. 1. NIC. NIC stands for Network Interface Card. NIC is a hardware component used to connect a computer with another computer onto a network. The MAC address or physical address is encoded on the network card chip, which helps in uniquely identifying a computer on the network. 2. Hub. A hub is a hardware device which divides the network connection between multiple devices. When computer requests for some information over a network, it first sends the request to hub. Then hub will broadcast this request to the entire network. All the devices connected on network then check whether the request belongs to them or not. Nowadays, the use of hub is replaced by more advanced computer network components such as switches, routers, as hub consumes more bandwidth. 3. Switch. A switch is also a hardware device that connects various devices on a computer network. Unlike a hub, a switch does not broadcast the message to the entire network. It in fact delivers the message to the correct destination only based on the physical address present in the incoming message. Therefore, we can say that switch provides a direct connection between the source and destination. 4. Router. A router is a hardware device that connects two or more networks. It is basically used to connect a LAN with an internet connection. It is used to receive, analyze and forward the incoming packets to another network. 5. Modem. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. It is also a hardware device which allows the computer to connect to the internet over the existing telephone line. It converts the digital signals of a computer into an analog signal over the telephone line. A modem can be of various types based on the speed and transmission rate. Standard PC modem or dial-up modem. Cellular modem. Cable modem. 6. Cables and connectors. A cable is a transmission media used for transmitting a signal. 3 types of cables used in transmission are as twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. Types of computer network. A computer network is mainly of 5 types. Types of computer network: LAN, PAN, CAN, MAN and WAN. 1. LAN, local area network. A LAN is a group of computers connected to each other within a small area, such as building, offices. A LAN can be connected through either cables or wires or low-power radio waves or wireless. It is less costly and provides higher security. A wireless LAN or WLAN is also referred to as LAN, local area and wireless network. 2. PAN, Personal Area Network. A PAN is a network grouped or formed within an individual person, typically within a range of 10 meters. Personal Area Network covers an area of 30 feet. Personal computer devices such as laptop, mobile phones, media players, printers are used to develop the personal area network. Two types of personal area network are available: wired personal area network and wireless personal area network. 3. CAN, Campus Area Network. A CAN is a computer network that connects various LANs in a limited geographical area. A campus area network is no doubt larger than a local area network, but it is still smaller than a wide area network. Universities, colleges, offices are some common places where a campus area network is used. 4. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A computer network that covers a larger geographic area than a LAN is called MAN. Government agencies use MAN to connect to the citizens and private industries. In metropolitan area network, various local area networks or LANs are connected to each other with the help of a telephone exchange line. MAN can be used in an airline reservation, college, military, etc. 5. WAN, Wide Area Network. A wide area network is a network that expands over a large geographical area, such as states or countries. The Internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. A wide area network is widely used in the field of business, government, and education. This network is not restricted to a single location. Instead, it is extended over long distances through fiber optic cables or satellite links. Brain dose. Thomas Zimmermann was the first research scientist to bring the idea of PAN, network topologies. Topology defines the structure of the computer network of how all the components are interconnected to each other. The computers connected on the network are commonly known as nodes. Types of network topology. Types of network topology: bus, ring, tree, star, mesh, hybrid. 1. Bus topology. In bus topology, all the computers are connected through a single cable known as backbone cable. When a node wants to send a message over the network, it puts a message over the network. All the stations available in network will receive the message whether it has been addressed or not. The benefit of bus topology is that it is quite simpler and easy to set up than other topologies. 2. Ring topology. In ring topology, each computer is connected to other two computers in order to form a closed ring-like structure. The data flows in one direction in this topology, or you can say in clockwise direction. It has no terminated ends, that is, each node is connected to other node and thus having no termination point. The drawback of this topology is that the breakdown in one computer can cause the failure of whole system or network. 3. Star topology. Star topology is an arrangement of the network in such a way that all computers or nodes are connected to the central computer, hub or switch. The central computer is called server and the computers attached to the server are called clients. It is the most popular topology in network implementation. Coaxial cables are used to connect the computers. The drawback of this topology is that if the central computer breaks down, then all connected nodes will not be able to communicate with each other. 4. Tree topology. The combination of bus and star topology forms the tree topology. In this topology, all the computers are connected with each other in a hierarchical fashion. The topmost node of this topology is called root node. For data transmission, there exists only one path between two nodes, thus forming a parent-child hierarchy. Drawback of this topology is that if main bus cable faults, then it will damage the overall network as this topology solely relies on main bus cable. 5. Mesh topology. In this topology, every computer is connected to every other computer on the network. Therefore, there exist multiple paths from one computer to another. This topology does not require any switch, hub, or central computer. It is mainly used for wireless networks. The Internet is an example of mesh topology. This topology is divided into two categories, full mesh topology and partial mesh topology. 6. Hybrid topology. The combination of various different topologies is known as hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is only formed when two or more different topologies are combined together. If similar topologies are connected, then it will not result in hybrid topology. Transmission media. A transmission media is nothing but the physical media over which communication takes place in computer networks. We use different types of cables or waves to transmit data. Therefore, transmission media is of two types. 1. Wired transmission media. The physical medium through which the signals are transmitted is called the wired transmission media. It is of various types. 1. Twisted pair. It is a physical media containing a pair of cables twisted with each other. It is a lightweight cable and is cheap also in comparison to other transmission media. There are two types of twisted pair, unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. An unshielded twisted pair is widely used in telecommunication. 2. Coaxial cable. The most commonly used transmission media is the coaxial cable. For example, TV wire is usually a coaxial cable. The cable is named coaxial as it contains two conductors parallel to each other. The inner conductor is made up of copper and the outer one is made up of copper mesh. It provides high data transmission speed. 3. Fiber optic cable. A cable that uses electric signals for communication is called fiber optic cable. It is a cable that contains optical fibers coated in plastic. The plastic coating protects the optical fibers from heat, cold. It provides faster data transmission than copper wires. It also carries the data at a long distance as compared to copper cable. 2. Wireless transmission media. A wireless transmission media transmits the data without the wires. It is categorized into three categories. 1. Radio waves. Radio waves are electromagnetic waves that are transmitted in all the directions of free space, which means they are omnidirectional. An FM radio, television, cordless phones are examples of radio waves. They can cover a large area and can also penetrate the walls. Brain dose. Radio waves travel at the speed of 186,000 miles per second through air. 2. Microwaves. Microwave transmission is unidirectional. It can either be used for terrestrial communication or satellite communication. It works on the line of slight transmission, that is, the antennas mounted on towers are the direct sight of each other. Terrestrial communication means on the surface of Earth, while satellite communication is performed in the sky. 3. Infrared. A wireless technology used for communication over short ranges is the infrared transmission. It is basically used for short-range communication such as data transfer between two mobile phones or between a computer and mobile phone, TV remote operation. These waves cannot penetrate the walls. Quick recap. A computer network is a group of computer systems and other computing hardware devices that are linked through communication channels to facilitate communication and resource sharing. The major parts that are needed in installing the software are the computer network components. NIC, hub, switch, router, modem and cables are some major components of computer network. Internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. Topology defines the structure of computer network of how all the components are interconnected to each other. Transmission media is of two types, wired and wireless transmission media. Radio waves are omnidirectional whereas microwaves are unidirectional.